All right, folks, Tuesday morning. Whew, what a day yesterday. Markets got crushed. That's right. Worst day for the stock market in 8 months. Dow Jones down over 2%. S&P's down 1.6%. Just an absolute bloodbath across the board. However, that S&P 500, we did break below the 15-day moving average yesterday, key technical level. We closed above it, however, at the close, which could be a good sign that we see a bit of a reversal today, see some strength. That said, we are seeing some strength. We're seeing a bit of a bounce back this morning. Dow Jones up over 200 points, S&P up this morning, so seeing some green on the screen. Other markets, FX yesterday, we continue to see strength in the dollar. Dollar remains firm this morning against a basket of currencies. Oil was where it was at yesterday. Oil down over 7%, down at $66 a barrel in WTI. We remain there this morning, seeing a bit of green in oil as it's trying to press its way higher. We'll see how things shake out. Now, for today, more earnings on tap. We have Netflix, big earnings report after the close today. We still find ourselves in the midst of earnings season. Let's get in there. Let's trade it up. Volatility is back. Let's have some fun. I'll see you tomorrow.